There's a lot of confusion right now about using AI to create content. Can you publish blog posts written by ChatGPT or other AI tools without getting penalized by Google? In this video, I'm going to break down Google's official stance on AI content, what actually triggers penalties, and how to use AI-generated content in a way that's fully compliant and ranks well in search. Let's get straight into it. First, what does Google actually say about AI content? As of 2024, Google's official guidance is very clear. Using AI-generated content is not against our guidelines, as long as the content is helpful, original, and created primarily for people, not search engines. That's straight from Google's Search Central blog. So no, Google doesn't automatically penalize content just because it's generated by AI. What matters is the intent behind the content and whether it provides real value to users. Here's where people get into trouble. If you're using AI to mass-produce thin, low-quality articles filled with keywords just to rank, that content is likely to be flagged by Google's spam detection systems. That includes spun or regurgitated content pages stuffed with keywords but lacking substance auto-generated pages with little to no originality. Google's algorithms, and now their SpamBrain AI system, are getting better at detecting this kind of content. So the key takeaway is this. It's not the use of AI that's the problem, it's the misuse. How to use AI content safely and effectively. Here's the framework I follow to stay compliant and competitive. 1. Start with a human-led strategy. Don't ask AI, what should I write about? Instead, start with real keyword research and search intent. Use tools like Ahrefs or SEMrush to find topics people are actively searching for. Once you've validated the opportunity, then use AI to assist with drafting. 2. Use AI to draft, not to decide. I use ChatGPT or Claude to write blog post drafts, generate outlines, and even structure comparison articles. But I always make sure the content is based on my own unique perspective, research, or experience. For example, I'll add real-life examples, updated stats, screenshots or case studies, internal links to original content. These human inputs are what differentiate your content from the thousands of AI-only posts out there. 3. Edit for clarity, originality, and EEAT stands for experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. Google uses it to assess content quality, especially in niches like health, finance, or education. Here's how to improve EEAT in AI content. Add an author bio with credentials, reference reputable sources, include quotes, opinions, or commentary that come from you. Ensure accuracy and cite data properly. In other words, don't just publish the raw AI output. Use it as a base, then humanize it. But what about ranking? Does AI content actually perform? Absolutely, when done right. I've published dozens of posts that used AI for the first draft, and after editing, formatting, and optimizing, they've ranked on page 1 within weeks. Some even hit featured snippets. AI helps with speed and scale, but ranking still comes down to matching search, intent, providing depth and value, covering the topic better than your competitors, building authority through consistent, helpful publishing. Let's bust the biggest myth. Google penalizes AI-generated content. Truth. Google penalizes low-quality content, no matter how it was made. In fact, many human-written posts get de-indexed because they don't meet quality thresholds. Meanwhile, smart marketers using AI responsibly are publishing faster, ranking higher, and staying fully within Google's guidelines. Here's my recommended AI content workflow for SEO. Start with data-driven keyword research. Use ChatGPT or Claude to generate a structured draft ad, human insight, voice, and formatting. Optimize for on-page SEO, publish and monitor performance, update and improve regularly based on results. This keeps you efficient, compliant, and competitive. For more daily tips on how you can use AI to take your digital marketing to the next level, make sure you hit subscribe.